Hi, let's practice easy English sentences. Listen, repeat, and improve your English. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Let's start. Repeat. I brush my teeth. Repeat. I drink water. Repeat. I eat breakfast. Repeat. I go to work. Repeat. I study English. Repeat. I read a book. Repeat. I listen to music. Repeat. I come home. I brush my teeth. I drink water. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I study English. I read a book. I listen to music. I come home. Great job. Practice every day. Your English will improve. Like, share, subscribe.